Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox mobile shaders. First, it's important to understand that the official Roblox mobile application does not natively support custom shaders. To achieve this, you'll typically need to use a third-party application or a modified client. Before you begin, make sure your mobile device has at least 4 GB of RAM and a capable processor to handle the enhanced graphics without significant performance drops. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Next, you'll need to choose a reliable third-party shader client or a modified version of Roblox. It's crucial to do your research and select an option with strong community support and frequent updates to ensure compatibility and stability. Always prioritize clients that have been thoroughly reviewed by other users. Remember, downloading unofficial software carries inherent risks, so proceed with caution and consider using a virtual private network for added security during the download process. Once you've selected your preferred shader client, download it from a verified and trusted source. Carefully follow the installation instructions provided by the developer, as these can vary significantly between different clients. After installation, launch the application and navigate to its settings menu. Here, you can customize various shader parameters, such as shadow quality, reflection intensity, and anti-aliasing. Experiment with these settings to find the perfect balance between stunning visuals and smooth gameplay on your specific mobile device. If you encounter any performance issues, such as frame rate drops or lag, try reducing the intensity of the shaders or lowering other graphic settings within the client. Regularly check for updates for both your shader client and the Roblox application to ensure the best compatibility and access to new features. Before making any significant modifications, it's always a good practice to back up your game data. This simple step can save you a lot of trouble if something goes wrong during the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.